Hello. Gus, do you want to say hi to my vlog? Hey. Oh, right there. I love you too. Myself went to Hot Pilates this morning at 7:30. We just got back and got ready for the day. I had avocado and hot dogs for breakfast. And now we are about to take this mister for a okay. A walk. Are you ready? Okay. Let me get up. A tired dog is a happy dog. And that's what we have. Don't we, Gus? Are we tired and happy? Happy Saturday. I just got out of Hot Pilates. Now we are headed back home. Gonna have some breakfast. Gonna have some breakfast. Take care of Gus, and I think we're gonna go out and about today. Maybe go swim, or I just feel like I need that. You know what I mean? I've put oil in my hair, so I'm like, let's just go jump in the river. Probably gonna be cold, but that's okay. So yeah, that's the vibe. Okay, bye. Oh my gosh. I just cold plunged in the river. And holy cannoli, was that cold? But do I feel so much better? Yes, I do. I feel so good actually. Oh, what a great day. What a great day. I don't know why I'm not saying any words. It's such a perfect Saturday. You guys, as you can tell, your girl has been getting some sun, but I just got my order of Stitch Fix in. It came in like way earlier than I expected. Sent me this black dress. Now, I don't love like the chest area, but it's really cute and such great fabric. But yeah, so this is item number 1. Happy Sunday. It is a beautiful day. We are about to take Mr. Oh, what do you got? And we're about to go. We're gonna take Mr. Gus for a walk.
Good poem or a really good movie. And a great story catches you off guard. So maybe you've had this.
Happy Sunday, we just finished church. We are about to go on a WALK, as you saw earlier in this video, that I can't say it, I can only spell it, or else this guy freaks out. Okay, it is Sunday afternoon. We are dropping off some clothes at Goodwill, and then we are gonna stop by Sprouts, and we're gonna get a kava drink and a sauce, like a dipping sauce, because I'm gonna make burgers tonight with like grilled onion. And I need a dipping sauce, or else like burgers just aren't good. Burgers are not good if you don't have a sauce, and y'all can come at me, but it's the truth. So we are on our way, and let's do it.